So ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you how we can insert headers and footers in Microsoft Excel, and here are the procedures we have to follow, but the most important one is to first open Microsoft Excel software. So that's what we are going to do, and in this case I'm going to be using this spreadsheet that is open. So what I will do, I want to show you how we can put the headers and the footer. I know most of you know it in Microsoft Word, and it is a very important tool, but even in Excel it's there. So that's why I want to show you how to do it. So what you do when you have a spreadsheet open like this, you go ahead and select Insert tab in the ribbon. After selecting that, click on it. In the group of tools available, you will see one of the tool in the right corner, second last, which is besides the equation and the symbols, and it is called text. Click on it, and then you see a drop down menu with other tools such as text box, and then the second one you see headers and footer. Click on that, and then now you see the interface will change, and then you see here you'll be told to add the header, and then here you can now add the header. Say Table Talks business. You can add your headers here as Table Talks business. Then down here you can go ahead and add the footer. You can see an option where they're saying add the footer. So in this way you can really add that, and you will get a lot of you can format it in the way you want, and all that's the only way you can add the header, and it's very important because it helps you to identify and organize your work with your address and what you do, especially when you are formatting your documents. Otherwise, thank you. Let's see in the next videos as we learn more techniques in Excel.